Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14DW. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 14DW barely lasts, you're not alone. This is a common issue many users face, typically caused by the battery losing its ability to hold a charge over time. If left unresolved, it can lead to frustration and inconvenience, especially if you rely on your laptop for daily tasks or work. To replace the battery, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and of course, a compatible replacement battery. First, ensure the laptop is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully flipping the laptop over so the back is facing up. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them to reassemble the device later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the panel removed, locate the battery. It's typically a large rectangular component with a connector attached. To remove the battery, first disconnect the cable by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. Be cautious here to avoid damaging any nearby components. Once the cable is free, you will see more screws holding the battery in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, applying gentle pressure. After the screws are out, you can carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected and secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tight and secure. To verify the new battery works, plug in your laptop and turn it on. Check the battery icon to see if it's charging correctly. If all looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 14DW. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to avoid extreme temperatures and unplug the laptop when it's fully charged. Regularly calibrating your battery can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.